What we want to talk about today is we're going to be talking about the Moft Magsafe Wallet. It also doubles as a kickstand and maybe a grip for the back of your phone. And it is now my go-to wallet. I'm going to tell you why. I've heard some negative reviews on this wallet, specifically the channel Mobile Reviews A had some bad things to say about this. I disagree with quite a few of them. I've been using this wallet for a month now, and it has quickly become and replaced my go-to wallet. So before now, the last 2 years, my primary go-to wallet was the Pop Wallet by PopSocket. The reason why is, and this is the exact, I've been using this specific wallet for 2 years. It's held up really well. It holds 4 to 5 cards, which is what I need. I don't want to carry less than 4 to 5 cards. I need, a couple of credit cards, a debit card, driver's license, and my Sam's card. That's what I want to have on me at all times. And I don't want to have to carry 2 wallets or manage 2 wallets. So having something that can carry 4 to 5 cards is exactly what I need. And that's what the Pop Wallet by PopSocket does. In addition to that though, since MagSafe came out, I'd love to be able to use a MagSafe product rather than this Pop Wallet, which you have to stick this on the back of your phone. It's a permanent, you fix this permanently to the back of your phone. So I'd much rather use MagSafe, because then that opens up the world of cases that I can use on my phone, or going caseless is an option. And so I set out and I've tried a few different options. I've tried this silicone wallet, which actually has a really strong magnet. I really like the wallet, but it feels a little cheap in the hand. It's a silicone, kind of rubbery feeling, and I wanted to see, is there anything out there more leather-like, more wallet-like? So I came across a kind of an Apple knockoff leather wallet. This works okay. Like the Apple Wallet, you can only hold 2 cards in it, which I need 4 or 5, and I'm not really willing to compromise on that. As well as the cards are very difficult to get out of this wallet. And the magnet on this one's kind of weak, so wasn't really into this leather wallet. So then I found a vegan leather wallet that actually has two slots on it, so it can hold up to 4 cards, which is great. But again, the leather is very cheap feeling, very cheap looking. So I hadn't gotten there yet. I hadn't found that product that was gonna get me to put down the Pop Wallet and start using this new wallet instead, until the Moft Wallet. Now let me explain why. There's a few reasons for that. Now the Moft Wallet is only supposed to hold up to 2 to 3 cards, but I've actually found that I can hold 5 cards in the Moft Wallet. So I have literally 5 different cards, 3 credit cards, driver's license, and my Sam's card in the Moft Wallet, and it really hasn't added to the thickness, at least the perceived thickness. Now I'm sure it adds to the thickness of the wallet. Obviously you have more mass in the wallet itself, but it still feels super thin in terms of the wallet, and part of that is because of the way the stitching is along the side. It kind of sticks out and makes it feel that the edge of it is really thin. Even though you have more cards in the wallet, the edge continues to feel thin. As well as, I have to say, the way that you access the cards on the Moft Wallet is genius. It is the best way to get to your cards. Basically, you grab the kickstand, you pull it down, and then you can cycle through your cards and access them very easily. Take them in and out, no problem at all. So a couple things it has going for it for me. Number one is 4 or 5 cards, not a problem. You can access them very easily. The other thing is, it is made out of vegan leather, which is fake leather, but there's something about the quality of this material that just feels so much better in my hand than this other vegan leather wallet that I've said before feels cheap. So the quality of the leather feels really nice. I don't know that it necessarily feels like leather, but there's just something about it where it just feels like they've put some effort into making it feel like a quality product. And the magnet on this thing works just fine. Is it the strongest magnet I've used? It's close. It's close to the strongest. I'd say the strongest one I've used out of all of the wallets I've had is the silicone, and this comes, very close to that. You can pick up the phone by the case, by holding the grip on the case, and it's not going to fall off. Now you can't really shake it, but I wouldn't expect that. The purpose of a Magsafe wallet isn't that you know, you're always going to have this on there. It's so you can take it on, take it off, but when you do have it on, you don't want to have to worry about the wallet falling off. And for this one, it doesn't fall off at all for me, putting it in and out of my pocket, however I want to carry it, versus this leather one that I tested. I definitely had concerns about it falling off. It's just super slick on there and doesn't really grab hold very tight. But Moft, really nice and secure hold via the magnets on the phone. So 3 main reasons why this wallet has become my daily driver, my everyday carry in terms of a wallet, are quality of the material, the strength of the magnet, the fact that it holds 5 cards for me, and the way, you know, the ease of access to get in there and to grab those cards, to pull them out, no problem at all. One added bonus to this is if you're a gamer, which I'm not a huge gamer, you know, I've played games, I've been a bigger gamer in my past, but not currently. But if you're a gamer and you use, let's say, your Xbox remote, hook that up to your phone, this actually works as a great stand for the phone. So while you can just put it into stand mode, you can just place it down on the table, hook up your Xbox remote, and just have a great gaming experience, especially on the iPhone 12 Pro Max screen. Nice big screen, plenty of real estate to do some gaming and to have some fun. So that's it for the Moft Wallet. Those are the points that I felt like weren't being covered by some of the other reviewers. I paid for this wallet myself. They did not send this to me, so this is a non-sponsored review. It is my opinion, and I just wanted to get that out there and share it with you. So thanks for watching the video. If this information helps you in your purchasing decision, give me a subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. What other wallets would you like to see me try? What other phone cases would you like to see? Let me know and I'll get on them. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.